My name is Richard Brine, the company is Elemy Limited. I'm Managing Director, but I'm also the owner of the business. Elemy Limited is a company that started in 2019, and its main USP really is it's a provider of GRP structural composite solutions. From a steel point of view, we also do fabrications and supply of steel gratings, treads and other similar metalwork products. Made Smarte was a programme that we were aware of through our connections both at the Council and Tees Valley Combined Authority and others, Innovate UK, and we saw it as a means to involve the senior team around the various options of digitalisation. For me personally, it was a culture change exercise. We stopped using spreadsheets as much and we've now got a CRM system. We've stopped using spreadsheets around operational planning and design planning. We now have a workflow-based process. And what that did is allow better efficiency, better communication, better understanding, removing single point risk from the business, and it's made us more productive. Made Smarte has helped us in a lot of ways actually, particularly I think one area is internal communications. So it's a platform for people to see through workflow in operations or to see through the CRM system at the early stage through to order. Everyone has the same knowledge of where we are, what the touch points are, what the transactions are with customers or suppliers or various other stakeholders in the company. It's effectively documented the latest transaction of the comms, which means that everyone can get up to speed pretty quickly. I think any manufacturer should actually look to do it. Everything's time precious, everything's busy, and just that little bit of time out and having the half day with peers and looking at how they're trying to get digitalisation to support it. I would certainly recommend it to any owner or any managing director of any business to look to seek to do digitalisation at your earliest possibility.